If you have high blood pressure and autoimmune disease, can you drink coffee? I'm Dr. Monica Agarwal. I'm a preventive cardiologist. That was a question that was asked in one of the chats. So yes, coffee has a lot of there are a lot of studies on coffee recently that seem to show some mortality benefit. The key about coffee is not to binge on it. So if you drink up to 4 or 5 cups of coffee per day, no sugar, no cream, and you're drinking it on a regular basis, there's been data to show that that's beneficial. It's the problem where people have when their blood pressure goes up is when they don't drink any coffee or tea, and then they start drinking a lot of it and sort of binge on it one day, and that can make your blood pressure go up. Plus, you just put yourself in a state of high sympathetic tone, your heart rate goes up, etc. But if you're drinking sort of a stable amount of coffee every day, there's certainly no harm and potentially some benefit. Just don't add the junk to it, right? The sugar and the cream.